National Weather Service in Helena has issued a blizzard warning for southwest Helena and Lewis and Clark County, and northeast Helena and Lewis and Clark County, until 5:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:05 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service indicated a blizzard producing heavy snow and golf ball-sized hail. Also, avoid Highway 325 and Route 79 on the Montana Turnpike. Stay in your homes by all means. The number for the National Weather Service is at the bottom right of your screen. Take or cover now. We are sorry to interrupt your programming on Sports Center. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted by request of the Helena Fire Department. At 5:33 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a train derailment has occurred near the Interstate 79 crossing. As a serious precaution, heavy fog is present in the Helena Courthouse. Please remain calm and listen to following news outlets on this developing story. Stay away from this area. We interrupt your programming on Sports Center. This is a national emergency. Important guidelines will follow. This message has been transmitted by request of the Helena Police Department and the Lewis and Clark County Emergency Management. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the entire state of Montana. There are no reports of explosives, but residents are anxious about the safety of communities. Again, a shelter-in-place warning has been issued for the entire state of Montana. Stay away from the states surrounding Montana such as Idaho and North Dakota. Take cover now. Urgent bulletin, a report of hazardous materials has been alerted by hazardous material crews. It is unknown if any flammable or explosive content is hiding in the wreck. Also, the boxcars and tank cars have caught fire and are releasing an infectious chemical like gas into the air. Again, a shelter-in-place warning has been issued earlier, and evacuate to your nearest shelter. If you cannot find shelter, the National Guard will lead you to one. You are advised to cooperate with the orders. Failing to do so will result in you being arrested. We are sorry to interrupt your programming on Sports Center. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This message has been transmitted by request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 6:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, multiple 911 calls were reporting about a hazardous materials fire in the Helena, Montana suburbs. One description was reported as a missile being launched from a cannon. Heat is confirmed at a whopping 4,000 degrees. Again, the train wrecks occurring earlier in the day have both been caught on fire. Fire rescue members advise you to evacuate the area immediately. Failing to do so will result in arrest. We interrupt your programming on Sports Center. This is a national emergency. Instructions will follow. The following message has been transmitted by request from the Burlington Northern Railroad Company. At 6:44 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, boiling liquid evaporated vapor explosions have occurred in Helena and its local business districts. It is also confirmed there are flammable liquids and solids aboard the derailed freight trains. Tune to 1240 FM on your radio dial and tune to your news outlets in your area for further instructions. The fires from the fuel tanks have been contained. The rest of the wreck, including the locomotives from Montana Rail Link and Burlington Northern, have since been removed, destined for scrapping. Burlington Northern Units 8061, 8009, 7163, 6346, and Montana Rail Link's units numbers 202 and 208 are all destined for the scrappers' torch, as well as 37 unknown freight cars. Again, thank you for your cooperation during this strategic emergency. An all clear has been given. We will now return to programming on Sports Center.